Hari ini kami kedatangan Mbak Betty dari 14 Ulu untuk belajar membuat aneka pempek Palembang di LPK Ita Yudhistira. Nah, ada kue yang dipelajari hari ini. Apa aja Mbak Betty? Pempek lenjer, pempek telur, besar, pempek pistel, telur kecil, lenjer, keriting, terus pempek kulit, telur crispy, ini kulit yang biasa, pempek tahu dan pempek adaan. Terus suka pempek yang kental. Terima kasih Mbak Betty atas kehadirannya di sini.
Terima kasih Mbak Ika, semoga ini bermanfaat bagi saya.
Ya, sama-sama. Terima kasih.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever